An important part of the vaccine injury compensation program is the vaccine injury tables. These tables show which vaccines are covered, as well as what symptoms or conditions are covered, and the time frame during which those symptoms or conditions need to occur after receipt of the vaccine. For an example, the rotavirus vaccine given to infants is known to be a rare cause of a condition called intussusception. Intussusception occurs when the intestine folds into itself. It can be very painful and may require surgical intervention. So if an infant receives a rotavirus vaccine and then is diagnosed with intussusception between 1 and 21 days after getting that vaccine, it's presumed that the vaccine caused the condition, and the family could file a claim and would likely be compensated. Another example is for measles-containing vaccine, such as the MMR vaccine. Measles vaccines are known to cause a blood clotting condition known as thrombocytopenia purpura. It happens rarely, and this condition is not permanent and is also self-resolving, meaning it doesn't require medical care usually. But in that situation, a person's platelet count is lower, and the platelets are what cause our blood to clot. So people may be at higher risk of bleeding if they were injured during that period of time. If a person gets a measles vaccine like MMR, and then 7 to 30 days later is diagnosed with thrombocytopenia purpura, they could submit a claim and would likely be compensated because it's on the table during that time frame. Now, if somebody has a condition occur that they believe was caused by a vaccine and the condition is not listed on the table, or the condition is listed on the table but it's in a different time frame, they can still seek compensation and submit a claim. It's just that their burden of proof would be somewhat higher, and it may even require expert testimony. So anyone who feels they've been harmed by a vaccine can certainly submit a claim, and then how their process goes will in part depend on whether or not the condition is on the vaccine injury table. You can check out the tables on the HRSA website, that is the Health Resources and Services Administration website, to see what conditions are covered and what vaccines are covered, as well as the timelines. Thanks for listening today.